All right, life is good right here. The students of the famous Cardinal Shehan Choir are lending their voices to a benefit concert for their school tomorrow night. Angels. That's what they sound like, angels. The concert to raise money for the Faye Wilkes Perry Scholarship Fund, which covers tuition costs for several 8th graders. The Cardinal Shehan Choir has had an exciting past couple of months, performing on national TV like Good Morning America and The View, after their rendition of Rise Up went viral. And they say the fame and nothing hasn't gone our heads. All this attention just reminds them of why they love to sing.
I love being a part of the choir because I get to open up more through song, and I get to grow closer with God.
I like being a part of the choir because I love to sing, and the fact that while I'm doing something I love, I encourage others, enlighten others. It just makes me happy.
Oh, man, the benefit concert is going to be held at Calvert Hall. Starts tomorrow night at 7 o'clock. You can buy tickets at the door or online. We have a link to buy tickets at abc2news.com.